I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Make sure the iPhone has Google Maps and the Apple Watch is paired. Open Maps on the phone and allow location and background app refresh so real-time routes can update. Once done, install Google Maps to the watch via the Watch app and tap to open it on your wrist. This initializes the connection and syncs recent places. You'll see your current location quickly because the watch pulls data from the phone when GPS isn't available on the watch itself. Now continue by launching a route. You can start navigation on your iPhone or directly on the watch by searching or selecting a saved place. Tap the travel mode, walking, driving, or transit, so directions match your pace. This affects estimated time and turn prompts. Make sure to long press for options to change map orientation or to add stops. You can enable haptic alerts and voice prompts on the watch. Doing this ensures you get tap guidance without constantly looking at the screen while moving. To complete navigation, tap the red stop button on the watch or end the route on your phone. This clears the active directions and saves recent places. If directions don't start, make sure location and background app refresh are enabled on the iPhone and that the watch has permission to mirror alerts. These settings are why syncing sometimes fails. If problems persist, restart both devices. As a final step, reinstall the Watch app or reset network settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.